Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be answering the question that is, can I use Bybit in USA? So according to this article from Bybit, as stated in the section 12.3 of the service agreement, Bybit does not offer services or products to users in a few excluded jurisdictions, including the United States, the United Kingdom, mainland China, Singapore, Canada, North Korea, Cuba, Iran, etc. So these are some of the regions in which the Bybit services are not available. But if you are living in USA and still you want to use Bybit, then what you can do is you can simply download a Pro VPN in your account. You need to make sure that it should be a paid VPN. It is because the paid VPN provide you reliability and you will not be get caught by Bybit if you are using a good VPN. I will put the link of the VPN that I use in the description, so you can go through that link and you can get some discount on the VPN. Once you have successfully downloaded a VPN, you need to switch to the VPN and you need to select your countries that allow access, such as UAE, India, and others. Then once your IP address is changed to other countries, then you can safely use and access Bybit and you can trade on it. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.